Are you planning to build a house but worried about the budget? Well, worry no more. Today we're going to share with you 10 tips for budget-friendly house construction that might just ease your concerns. Tip 1 is to plan and budget carefully from the start. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want and how much you're willing to spend. This will help you avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your project on track. Tip 2 is to consider alternative building materials. Instead of using expensive materials, you can explore more affordable options that still provide durability and quality. Tip 3 is to prioritize your needs over your wants. Focus on the essential features and functionalities of your house first before adding any luxurious or non-essential elements. Tip 4 is to be open to DIY projects. By doing some tasks yourself, you can save a significant amount of money on labor costs. However, make sure to assess your skills and capabilities before taking on any major construction tasks. Tip 5 is to shop around for the best deals on materials and services. Don't settle for the first supplier or contractor you come across. Take the time to compare prices and negotiate for better rates. Tip 6 is to consider energy-efficient designs and appliances. Investing in energy-saving features can help you reduce your long-term utility bills and make your house more environmentally friendly. Tip 7 is to be flexible with your timeline. Rushing the construction process can lead to mistakes and additional expenses. Allow for some flexibility in your schedule to accommodate any unforeseen delays or changes. Tip 8 is to hire a reputable contractor. Look for someone with a good track record and positive reviews from previous clients. A reliable contractor can help you stay within budget and ensure the quality of your construction project. Tip 9 is to avoid unnecessary customization. While it's tempting to add unique and personalized touches to your house, keep in mind that customization can be costly. Stick to standard designs and finishes to save money. And finally, tip 10 is to plan for future expansions or renovations. By considering potential future needs, you can avoid costly modifications down the line. So there you have it, 10 tips for budget-friendly house construction. With careful planning, smart choices, and a little creativity, you can build your dream home without breaking the bank. Moving on to tip 2, always compare quotes from multiple contractors. This will help you get a better understanding of the market rate and ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Remember, the cheapest quote isn't always the best. You want to balance cost with quality. Tip 3 is to choose cost-effective building materials. This doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. There are many affordable materials out there that are durable and look great too. Next up, opt for energy-efficient designs. This is tip number 4. Not only can this save you money on utilities down the line, but it's also better for the environment. Tip 5 is to keep the design simple and avoid complex architectural features. These can be expensive and time-consuming to build. A simple, functional design can be just as beautiful and much more budget-friendly. Now, tip 6. Do it yourself where possible, but only if you have the skills. This can save you a lot in labor costs, but remember, it's important to know your limits. Some tasks are better left to the professionals. Moving on to tip 7, avoid unnecessary changes or upgrades during construction. These can quickly blow out your budget. Stick to your original plan as much as possible. Tip 8 is to buy materials in bulk or during sales. This can offer significant savings. Just make sure you have a safe, dry place to store them. Tip 9, consider recycled or reclaimed materials. These can be a cost-effective and sustainable choice. Plus, they can add a unique rustic charm to your home. Finally, tip 10 is to plan for contingencies in your budget. Unexpected costs can and do arise in any construction project. Having a contingency fund can help you navigate these surprises without stress. And there you have it, 10 tips for budget-friendly house construction. Remember, a tight budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on the quality or beauty of your home. With careful planning and smart choices, you can build the house of your dreams without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not just about building a house, it's about building a home, and there's no place like home. For more insights and to instantly purchase house plans, visit www.drawingskart.com. Until next time, happy building.